Hi friends, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran. Today, I would like to wish each and everyone a very happy Workers' Day and Happy May Day. It's a special occasion for me as today is my first day of my journey of YouTube channel, which I started in May 1st, 2023. It's been an exciting day and exciting journey for me, and it's unbelievable the response that I have got and the confidence that I have got from the YouTube channel. Now, on this day, I would like to highlight my performance of my stock picks and cherry picks which I had given during this journey.